It's on its side and completely flattened.
Ooh, Toby's found a water tank. Yay! We're gonna drive behind the water tank you can see in front. I'm driving now. Oh, check me out, not driven yet. Whoop whoop.
Daddy in the water tank.
No, Daddy's not in the water tank. He's in the truck with the water tank.
Yeah.
Follow that water tank.
Follow that water tank.
What happened? But I think the tag bust off the water tank. It seems it clipped off, unclipped itself. Oh Christ! Watch out! Daddy almost got run over.
What? What is the problem, Daddy? What is the problem with the water tank?
Not too loud.
What is the problem with the water tank?
Oh, it got caught in the wheel.
Oh.
Yeah, the side of the rope was hanging down and it must have got caught in the wheel and ripped off.
It weren't tied off.
It was like hanging, flapping over the side, and it must have got caught in the wheel.
Dante, did you tie off the strap? Yeah, did you tie off the strap? Yeah, so it was flapping down, it got caught in the wheel, according to the boss. The boss said it was flapping.
That's how it gets up. Oh. Dad, I see a new water tank.
Shush.
Mommy,
Melly is sleeping, Hazel.
Is that the water tank they got?
Right, stay in the car, okay?
Why should we?
Yeah, exactly.
Cool, okay, keep cool.
I said roll it away. Lifting it up. Yeah, 3, 2.
Just easily.
Yeah, ain't that on. Picking out any stones or anything.
Ah,
You know what I mean?
well, you can't move it. Yeah, the weight of it. Ah, we got a water tank.
Daddy.
Taking the smooth surface off this PVC pipe so that it kind of joins a bit better. But I don't want it too rough and I don't want it too smooth.
That's what.
Just keying it very slightly, to be honest with you.
So, look, Hazy, you see this black water tank?
Yeah.
Yeah. So what Daddy wants to do is Daddy wants to attach this pipe and make a tap.
It's too small.
Is it? And make a tap to get the water to trickle out of this tank very slowly. Makes sense? So that's what Daddy's making, like a tap. Do this at home, folks. Lay in the...
Put it on.
Not yet.
So, Dad, what are you using?
I've always been a tramp, so this is just how you have to go on.
Use what you got.
We're going to do some playing.
Stay away from where I am over there, guys.
Dad, your fire!
What's... There is. Daddy would like that stone.
Yeah. Why?
The rain has stopped, but to be honest, this part of the sky looks nice. But Up here, not so nice. And we're just waiting for the architect to draw us a plan for our home. As we said, we don't want anything too big. To be honest, I kind of like small, something easy to maintain and look after, but equally something large enough for a family home. But yeah, definitely nothing too big. Yeah, so that's what we're waiting for at the moment. So it's died down a fair amount, but it is still going. What Mr. Osbornes up to with the tap?
Well,
How's it going?
you guys ain't got any tools, have I? So
I know.
if this holds, it probably will leak out, but at least we've got a waterman.
Yeah.
And like, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. Yeah.
Daddy, fire dying. Your fire dying now. Stone in your hand, Enoch. Hello, boat. What are you doing?
Bloody trying to get this joint done before matey comes.
What is that?
Plastic cement. Horrible stuff, man. Right, what we need right now. Whack it in. Just like sealant. Takes ages to like go off. Well, not ages, but it takes, you just whack a load of it over. Hopefully it goes off in time, you know what I mean? Yeah.
Good stuff. Well done. Just remembered, we're so used to paying for pod for everything, we forgot we actually need to take out cash to pay the water guy. So we're gonna speed off, get some cash, and hopefully get back in time before he actually arrives to fill up the water tank. Otherwise, we'll have no water if we don't have any cash. Oh, good afternoon, sorry. Nearly afternoon. Come to the... Yee. Connected, the hose is connected.
You want to cut taps of, not you, Dante, saying to Misha.
Around here. Here. Here.
Works. I mean, it's coming out a bit slow.
The sun is shining. It is hot. Lovely, but hot. And as you can probably hear in the background, the water tank's getting filled up by the lovely water guy. Yeah, so we're just waiting till that's done, and then we can check to see how well Toby's makeshift tap works.
I just had this done, like installed the other day. Put a tap on it, and I've come back this morning and it's on its side and completely flattened with not 1,000 gallons of water in it that I just spent like 400 quid on. Anyway, also I've just lit this with another 5 litres of diesel, so we'll see how far this goes, because it doesn't really want to go up. I mean, it looks like it's caught here, and hopefully it's gonna continue to burn, but I haven't got my hopes set on it actually getting the job done this time, but we'll see. Anyway, that is a heartbreaker, mate. Got to do this all again. I don't know what's gone wrong, I really don't have a clue what's gone wrong with it, man, but we'll see. That's a heartbreaker, man.